Okay, this is a look around room 511 at the Travelodge London City Airport. This is one of their so-called super rooms. So, obviously you've got a full-length mirror on the door there. As you come in, obviously the main light switches are on your left. It's quite a nice room. I'm quite impressed with compared to normal Travelodges. This is quite decent quality, really. Again, there's another big mirror there on the right. Hairdryer. We've got it as a twin configuration, so that it's obviously the king size bed there, and then there's this, which is actually two single beds. I think one normally is folded out. I think this is a sofa bed that actually folds out into two single beds that can then be moved or had as another double there. And then so I'm quite impressed with this room, actually, considering. Television on the wall. It's a comfy chair. Desk area. I love all this. There's loads of sockets in this room. Loads of power sockets, and as you can see, you've got normal power sockets plus the USB sockets as well. And there's several. There's two sets. There's another set there. Obviously for the coffee maker. It's actually got a kettle and a coffee maker. And little Kit Kats. And hot chocolate and things, and little coffee pods for the coffee machine and things. So you've got 4 plugs sockets actually there on the desk area. And you've got another 2 this side. And the lights above it. The lamps goes all the way along behind the bed. And again, you've got another 2 sockets this side as well, so you've got plenty of power sockets. On the bed here, these are the controls for the lighting. Switches for the reading lights, the main room lights, which are actually on a dimmer as well, and then the bed and the headlights. And then you've got a fan down there, and the ironing board. There's little open wardrobes, plenty of hangers to hang things, extra towels, and a view out the window, London City Airport to the left, and the to the right, sorry, and the XL Centre to the left. We've walked here from London City Airport, and it was literally just 5 minutes. 5 minutes walk to here, and I'm going off to the XL Centre in the morning. You see, it's just the other side of the bridge over there, so it's not too far away. Look at the bathroom. Again, all very nicely done out. Toilet, sink, big mirror, bath, and shower. And like the way you got your just the shaver sockets, and again there you got your hand wash there, and hair and body wash in there as well. Towels are very soft. They're not hard like most hotels. They're quite a nice soft cotton. The bed sheets are the beds themselves are very comfortable. And again, the material on them isn't hard. It is nice and soft as well. Okay, hope that's helped you. A little look around this room. Until the next time, goodbye.